How to connect Airtable with Make.com. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Airtable with Make.com to automate your databases and simplify data handling. Start by logging into Make.com and clicking Create New Scenario. In the list of apps, search for Airtable and select it. You'll then be prompted to connect your Airtable account. To do this, log into Airtable, go to your account settings, and generate an API key. Paste that key into Make.com and select your account. Once connected, choose a trigger like when a new record is created, updated, or deleted in a base. For example, you can set Make.com to trigger every time a new entry is added to your Airtable form. Then, you can define what happens next, such as sending that data to Google Sheets, Gmail, Slack, or another app in your workflow. You can also set up multi step workflows that update Airtable records based on external changes. This integration is especially helpful for managing tasks, inventories, client databases, or surveys without constantly switching between platforms. Airtable and Make.com together create a powerful automation system that helps you save time and keep your data flowing smoothly. And that's how you connect Airtable with Make.com.